Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying Windows 10 build and whether you run 32 or 64-bit, because Directx components must match system architecture. Once done, create a system restore point and temporarily disable third-party antivirus to avoid blocked installers. Next, run sfc/scano from an elevated command prompt to repair corrupted system files, then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch replacements. These two steps fix many Directx-related DLL and dependency issues before you touch redistributables or drivers. After system repair, install the Directx end-user runtime web installer to restore legacy DLLs that modern Windows may not include by default. Make sure to update your GPU driver directly from the vendor, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, because drivers provide critical Directx runtime components and bug fixes. If specific games complain about missing libraries, reinstall Visual C++ redistributables, multiple years. Once finished, reboot and test the affected application. This sequence addresses both runtime files and driver-level incompatibilities that commonly cause Directx errors. Finally, reset any Directx-related settings in the game or GPU control panel and run dxdiag to capture current Directx version and diagnostics. If problems persist, perform an in-place Windows 10 repair upgrade to refresh system components without losing files. This reinstalls core Directx files. Make sure to reboot after each change and retest. Troubleshooting tip: if errors continue, open Event Viewer and dxdiag to note exact error codes. Those codes guide targeted fixes or let you restore a system restore point created earlier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.